This video shows you how to 3D print with two colors. So first center it and make sure it's on a platform. You're gonna cut it with the X, Y, Z axis. You can just place the cut or you can put it by number. I didn't keep parts in place, so it's separated. So make sure you have that checked, keep parts in place. So once you cut, then you're gonna go to the extruder and click on, I'll wait till it gets there. Once it's in the place you want it, then you start cut. You can make as many cuts as you want. Then go to the extruder, use right or left, and it'll be a different color. The color it is isn't the color it'll print. You'll choose that later with your 3D printer. So, now it's a 3D object. Look around on all sides so it looks good to you, where you're making decisions, what looks right to you, what looks interesting to you. And you can see it'll be two different colors, so you get a general idea. You can move the circle to cut, or you can place it numerically. And I like having lots of contrast between the two colors. Make sure you look around on the front and back, left and right side, because when you cut, it affects other parts of your object.